Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open game on second monitor on Steam. Alright, let's begin. First, ensure that you have your Steam client open on your computer. Next, click on the View menu in the upper left corner of the Steam interface. From the drop-down menu, select Big Picture Mode. Alternatively, you can click the Enter Big Picture Mode icon located at the top right corner of the Steam window. Upon entering Big Picture Mode, Steam will relaunch with a new interface tailored for easier navigation, especially with controllers. Note that this may be accompanied by a louder startup sound. Within Big Picture Mode, navigate to the Start menu by clicking the Steam button in the bottom left corner. Then, go to Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Display option, which is positioned between notifications and audio. Click on Display, and you will see an option labeled Preferred Display. Here, you can select your preferred monitor for gaming. If you have multiple monitors connected to your computer, a drop-down menu will allow you to choose the specific monitor where you want your games to be displayed. Simply select your desired monitor from the list. If you only have one monitor, the list will show a single option. Once you've made your selection, Steam will boot up games on the chosen monitor instead of the default one. To exit Big Picture Mode, click on the power icon at the top right of the Big Picture Mode interface and select Exit Big Picture Mode. Steam will return to its regular interface. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.